Hello and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to fix a mouse at home using homemade materials when its top doesn't touch its bottom, so the clicking buttons do not work. As you can see here, the mouse was clearly hit from the front. I unscrewed it first, so now let's take off the shell. As you can see, I took it off from the back. It's already unscrewed. Now let's just take some completely normal tape. Just put the tape on like you see here. Move it around the bottom of the mouse, but make sure to not cover the laser pointer, or else the mouse will malfunction with its cursor. So after that, after you went around it a few times, you can cut these parts here where the buttons will be. The tape will still function as it is intended to, except it will be nicer and the buttons will move more smoothly. To cut the tape, simply use normal scissors. Just straighten the tape a bit and put the top cover. First put it from the back, then squish the front until it clicks like this, and there we have a fixed mouse. So that is how you fix a mouse at home using homemade materials.